Hi and welcome to Copia Eco Cabins, where all shipping containers have been converted into this eco-friendly self-catering cabin. It comes with a wood-fired hot tub, 2 net hammocks to chill and watch the sunset, and a barbecue area. Inside, from right to left, we have the indoor fireplace to make it cozy, a spacious couch and a fully equipped kitchen. A huge window and a king-size bed is what we find in the bedroom. My personal highlight, the beautifully located bathtub with amazing views to the outside, which I'm gonna show you in a second. And of course, a spacious shower shouldn't be missing either. Let's head back to the lounge to show you the beautiful view you get from every room of this cabin. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.